If AI feels confusing right now, you're not alone. There are tools, headlines, updates, and opinions everywhere, and most beginners don't know where to start. Today, I'm going to simplify it. I worked in IT since 1986, and I help beginners learn artificial intelligence clearly and confidently without hype or coding. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple steps to start learning AI the right way. First, what to focus on. Second, what to ignore. And third, how to build real confidence without getting overwhelmed. Step 1. Focus on practical use. Most beginners make the mistake of trying to understand everything about AI at once. They read about machine learning, neural networks, large language models, and it becomes overwhelming fast. But here's the truth. You don't need to understand how AI is built to start using it effectively. Instead, pick one tool, like ChatGPT, and use it for real tasks. Draft emails, summarize articles, brainstorm ideas, organize thoughts. When you use AI for practical, everyday tasks, you build familiarity, and familiarity builds confidence. Step 2. Ignore the noise. AI moves fast. There are constant updates, new tools, bold predictions, and dramatic headlines. If you try to keep up with everything, you'll burn out. Instead, narrow your focus. You don't need every tool. You don't need every feature. You don't need to chase every trend. What you need is consistency. Choose a small number of tools. Use them regularly. Let your skill grow gradually. Progress beats hype every time. And if you'd like a structured 30-day plan instead of trying to piece this together yourself, I built a free beginner roadmap. You can grab it below at aibeginner.net/start. Now let's look at the third step. Step 3. Build confidence through repetition. Confidence doesn't come from watching videos. It comes from doing. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say I type a simple prompt. Write an email about a meeting. The output might be fine, but it's generic. Now watch what happens when I refine it. Instead, I'll say, write a professional but friendly email confirming a 30-minute project meeting for Thursday at 2 p.m. Keep it concise. Now the result is more specific, and I can go further. I can say, make it warmer, or shorten it to one sentence, or make it sound more formal. This process, adjusting, refining, improving, is how confidence grows. Not by reading about AI, but by interacting with it. The more you experiment, even with small adjustments, the more predictable AI becomes. And once it feels predictable, it stops feeling intimidating. That's when AI shifts from confusing to useful. So here's the simple framework. Focus on practical use. Ignore the noise. Build confidence through repetition. You don't need to master everything. You just need a structured starting point. And once you have that, things become much easier. If you're new to AI, start with the free 30-day roadmap below. And if this video helped you, consider subscribing. I publish practical AI guidance for beginners every week.